All right, I'm going to continue on with page 12. And this is, sorry, the last video got cut off. My storage ran out. So, sorry, that kind of had like an abrupt end to it. But I'm on the back of page 12. I'm actually going to do 9, 10, 11, 12 with you guys using this parallelogram over here to the right. So first it says find the measure of CD, and then it's also going to ask for the measure of EF. Well, I know opposite sides are congruent in a parallelogram. So first, to find the lengths of these, I would have to set up an equation and solve for W. Well, it would be 4W plus 8 equals 5W plus 1. That's the equation you're going to set up to solve for W. So I'm going to start by subtracting 5W to both sides, and that'll give me negative 1W plus 8 equals 1. Subtract 8 on both sides, negative 1W is going to equal negative 7. Divide each side by negative 1, and you get positive 7. So that's what W equals, but now I got to go back and answer the question, because it's saying find the length of CD. So now I got to go back, and I got to plug 7 in for W. So I'll do 4 times 7 plus 8, and I get 36. And EF is also going to be 36. I know that because, again, they're equal to each other. Okay, now it says find the measure of angle F and then angle E. So these angles right here. Now, these are on the same side of the parallelogram. They're both on the right-hand side, so that means they add up to 180. So again, I'm going to have to solve for Z before I can find what those angles are. So the equation I'm going to set up is, I think that says, hold on, I can't read it. Mrs. Izzo's getting old. She can't see anymore. My eyes are going bad. It's a 9Z. Okay, so that's 9Z minus 12, this angle up here, plus 3Z equals 180. So that's the equation we're going to set up to find those angles. So first I put 9Z and 3Z together, and I get 12Z. Then I'm going to do 180 minus 12 from both sides, or I'm sorry, not minus 12, add 12 to both sides. And I get 12Z equals 192. Divide each side by 12, and I get 16 for Z. So now I got to go back and plug those in. So if I plug it in for E first, it's going to be 9 times 16 minus 12, which is 132 degrees. And now I'm going to go back and plug it in for angle E. Now these aren't the same, so angle E is not automatically 132. Remember, these add up to 180. So if I plug it in, or I could just do 180 minus 132, I'm going to get 48. Or again, if I plug 16 in for Z, 3 times 16 is 48. So there are the answers to the top of page 12. So that's where we're going to stop for today. Tomorrow I'll probably review these questions here at the bottom, just more practice with parallelograms and those properties. Make sure you answer the questions that are embedded in these videos, and please email me with any questions you have. You're still planning on taking the test on Tuesday, and then make sure you take the review set quiz that was posted on Google Classroom yesterday if you didn't already do so.